Hello my channel watchers and subscribers. Today I'm going to use these two turtle wax magics. One is color magic for just cleaning up and shining a little bit, and one is turtle wax for scratch, repair and renew. I'm going to use this on the car, and here are a lot of scratches on the car all over it, and the color is quite bad. A lot of scratches. Let's see what will be the result of it. All over the car there are a lot of scratches, and this plastic part is a bit damaged. The clear varnish is old and not shiny, so I will go over them and let's see how is it working here. Okay, I tried the first one on the door. It looked pretty good, but now it's time to see also how it is working in real life. So we take a little bit of this pasta, and for 30 seconds with movements and little pressure, do like this. Okay, this is the first turn. It is a little bit less than it was before, but we need one more turn. It should be better, because first try was better on the same big scratch. It was quite deep, but now it looks better, and after polishing you take everything off and everything looks much better now. Quite smaller white color here, but let's take the third try and it should be quite good. Of course you cannot get everything out of the color. it shines as a mirror. It is still there, but it is much better than it was before. But after this, let's still work on and try another ones. After this scratch polish, I tried it on a wall boot trunk, and very easy polishing makes it a lot more shiny than before, and these small color scratches are practically gone. It really makes good difference with quite small effort. So first impression is quite good. And now let's try on this part of the car. This is quite a big difference, a lot more shining. I went over for 2 quick times. Let's now see how this changes. And this is the result after one polishing time. It is really big difference, and I feel if you can push it stronger, polish it stronger, it makes better impact on it. And I will go one more time on it. Let's see what is happening when using on already matted black plastic bumper. I have finished this matted front bumper. I would say there is 50% of proper work. There are needed instruments to get perfect finish, but it is shining and looking better now. Okay, now I can say that everything is done. Everything is polished and repaired. Car is shining and I am quite happy with the result. And this is our magic today. So if you want your car to be more shiny, this is quite good one. I like it. For far more better result, use some professional tools. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.